G'day gunners, how are we today? I'm Ryan Webb, aka the Rugby Opinioneer, and I'm here with my recap of the Hurricanes versus Chiefs semi-final. So, the Chiefs booked themselves a spot in the Super Rugby Pacific final, leaving the Hurricanes with just one try in the first half. Honestly, the defense by the Chiefs was exceptional as they were swarming like flies every time the Hurricanes made a break. Although they let the hosts make a comeback in the second half, it was just too little, too late. My prediction for this one, 31 points to 27 to the Hurricanes. But the final score was 30 points to 19 to the Chiefs. I know, what the hell? Anyway, the try scorers were Finau, Ratima, and Rona for the Chiefs, while for the Hurricanes, it was Lakai, Cameron, and Proctor. In regards to my matchup, apart from Billy Proctor, the rest of the midfielders were quite quiet, considering they, i.e. the Chiefs midfielders, were playing quite well up to this point. So, yes, Jordy Barrett missed a couple tackles, but it was pretty much nothing of note from him. Nothing else of note to mention. Yeah. From a personal perspective, I thought this game was really cool to watch, although I'm disappointed the Hurricanes didn't win. For the neutral, it was quite a good game to watch. Anyway, even though the better team won on the day, but we won't talk about that. The Hurricanes just made schoolboy errors, that many in fact that wasn't even funny, and they could have been avoided if they just played a simple game of footy. Like, seriously, the Chiefs had 2 yellow cards, for goodness sake. Yes, they did capitalize on them, but not that very much, thank you. So, yeah, I'm a bit disappointed that they didn't capitalize on their opportunities. But anyway, with that being said, if you guys haven't already, please do watch my team of the season video, and feel free to let me know if I've included or excluded anyone from that, or I should have excluded or included anyone from that team. This has been Ryan with aka the Rugby Opinion here. Please leave us a like, give us a comment, and subscribe and do all that malarkey, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my content. I'm over and out. Cheers!